Hello everyone, welcome back to Mayanklaholic. In this video, we are continuing the Constitution 1000 plus MCQ series. So let's get started from the question number 76. Which among the word appears first in the preamble to the Constitution of India? Options are liberty, equality, justice, fraternity. Here in question number 76, correct answer is option C, that is justice. Justice word appears first in the preamble to the Constitution of India. Question number 77. The preamble of the Indian Constitution has been amended so far. Option are once, twice, thrice, never. Here correct answer is option A, that is once. Question number 78. Preamble was amended by which amendment? Options are 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 39th Amendment, none of these. Correct answer here is option A, that is 42nd Amendment. By 42nd Amendment Act, the preamble has been amended. Question number 79. Preamble of the Constitution was amended and the words Sovereign Socialist Secular Democratic Republic were substituted for Sovereign Democratic Republic. With option A, 93rd Amendment Act, 85th Amendment Act, 42nd Amendment Act and 44th Amendment Act. Here in question number 79, correct answer is option C, that is 42nd Amendment Act with effect from 3/1/1977. So this date is also important, please remember that. Question number 80. By which amendment the words secular and socialist were included in the preamble? Option A, First Amendment, option B, Sixth Amendment, option C, 42nd Amendment and option D, 44th Amendment. Correct answer here is option C, that is 42nd Amendment. Question number 81. The words unity and integrity of the nation were incorporated in the preamble of the Constitution of India by which amendment? 41st, 42nd, 43rd, 44th. Correct answer is option B, that is 42nd Amendment. Question number 82. The words secular and socialist were added to the Indian Constitution in 1975 by amending the preamble, directive principles, fundamental rights, all of them. Here in question number 82, correct answer is option A, that is preamble. Question number 83. In which of the following cases Justice Hidayatullah held that preamble is the very soul of the Constitution, eternal and unalterable? Options are S.R. Bommai case, Golaknath case, Keshav Nanda Bharti case, Minerva Mill case. Here correct answer is option B, that is Golaknath case. Question number 84. In which year the two words socialist and secular were added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Options are 1976, 1977, 1978, 1979. In question number 84, correct answer is option A, that is 1976. But if it has been asked with effect from, then the year will be 1977. Question number 85. In preamble, the Constitution word socialist was added by. The word socialist was added by Section 2 of the 42nd Amendment Act. Here option A is the right answer. Question number 86. In the preamble of the Constitution of India, the word secular was incorporated by First Amendment, 15th Amendment, 27th Amendment, 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India. Correct answer is option D, that is 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India. Question number 87. Which of the following cases upheld secularism as a basic feature of the Indian Constitution even before the word secular was inserted in the preamble? Here correct answer is option B, that is Keshav Nanda Bharti versus State of Kerala. Question number 88. The preamble to the Constitution of India first contains the resolution to constitute India into inter alia a socialist republic since the framing of the Constitution. B. The word socialist was incorporated in the preamble by the 42nd Amendment with effect from 3rd January 1977. C. Never contained the word socialist. And D. The word socialist was dropped by the 42nd Amendment. Here in question number 88, the correct answer is option B. The word socialist was incorporated in the preamble by the 42nd Amendment with effect from 3rd January 1977. Question number 89. By the 42nd Amendment Act 1976, the following words have been added to the preamble to the Constitution of India: unity and integrity, sociality and secular, socialist, secular integrity, secular, unity and integrity. Here, the correct answer is option C, socialist, secular and integrity. Question number 90. In Tinsukia Electricity Company versus State of Assam, Supreme Court pointed out that the term socialist used in the preamble to the Constitution of India means a state whose basic policy is to: option A, prohibit concentration of wealth. Option B, distribute equitably the natural resources. C, prohibit concentration of wealth and uplift the living standards of people. D, prohibit concentration of wealth and distribution equitably the natural resources. In question number 90, the correct answer is option C, prohibit the concentration of the wealth and uplift the living standards of the people. Question number 90. It has been observed by the Supreme Court the word socialist in the preamble enables the court to learn and more in favor of the nationalization and state ownership of industry. Options are Keshav Nanda Bharti case versus State of Kerala, Excelvier versus Union of India, ABSK Sangh Railway versus Union of India, Minerva Mills Limited versus Union of India. Here in question number 91, correct answer is option B, that is Excelvier versus Union of India. Question number 92. State which of the following is correct. Preamble is not a part of the Constitution, that is option A. Option B, preamble is a part of the Constitution and relates to basic structure. C, preamble is not a part of the Constitution but sort of introduction to the Constitution. And option D, preamble is like a prologue to the Constitution. Here in question number 92, it has been asked which of the following is correct. So here option B, that is preamble is a part of the Constitution and relates to basic structure, is the correct answer. Question number 93. The object of the framers of the Constitution of India was to establish what is generally known as welfare and social state has been held in option A, Motilal versus Uttar Pradesh Government AIR 1951, Dirai Rajan versus State of Madras, K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, and option D, none of the above. Here in question number 93, correct answer is option A, that is Motilal versus Government of Uttar Pradesh AIR 1951 SC 1257 is the correct answer. Question number 94. The word secular used in the preamble of the Constitution of India means the state has no religion of its own, all religions are treated equally, the state has no common religion. Both A and B are correct. Here the correct answer in question number 94 is option D, that is both A and B are correct. The state has no religion of its own and all religions are treated equally. Question number 95. India is a secular state because option A, India has no state religion, Hinduism is tolerant towards other religion, Indian government has nothing to do with the religion, minorities' rights are guaranteed in the Constitution. In question number 95, the correct answer is option A, that is it has no state religion. India is a secular state because it has no state religion. So this is the correct answer. Question number 96. The preamble of the Constitution of India declared India as a republic because option A, president is elected indirectly, head of the state is elected in democratic manner, sovereignty lies in the state, parliament consists of 2 houses. In question number 96, correct answer is option B. The preamble of the Constitution of India declared India as a republic because head of the state is elected in democratic manner. Question number 97. The term economic justice in the preamble of the Constitution of India is a resolution for option A, equal distribution of wealth, option B, economy in the administration of the justice, C, socio-economic revolution, and D, chief justice of the poorer. In question number 97, correct answer is option A, that is equal distribution of wealth. This is the correct answer. Question number 98. In which of the following words is not used with the liberty in the preamble of the Constitution? Option A, worship, speech, expression, faith. Here in question number 98, correct answer is option B, that is speech. Question number 99. Which one of the following articles describes the Republic of India as a union and not as a federation, though the words are India, that is Bharat, shall be union of states? Here options are option A, Article 1, option B, Article 2, option C, Article 3, and option D, Article 4. Correct answer here is option A, that is Article 1. Question number 100. India, that is Bharat, shall be option A, the union of Indian territories, a union of states, the territories of any states, the union of territories specified in the second schedule. Correct answer here is option B. India, that is Bharat, shall be the union of states. Option B here is the right answer. So thank you for watching the entire video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel, and also please follow this series. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.